Hi everyone, I am Tejas. I came from JP Nagar and I'm searching for an ECM repair and I found it and I saw the reviews. It was good and whatever the reviews which there is, it is the same as exact. That's I found in Bhadra Electronics. They are giving a good professional training as well as practical and theory. So I just joined in 1 month before and I got a very good knowledge about the ECM and ECU, every units and everything. Deepak sir and Yogesh sir, they are both very knowledgeable persons and about the Deepak sir is very knowledgeable according means into the automobile industry and he explained through everything and in detailedly they have given a teach to us. Yeah, for the upcoming students, they have good opportunity to join here and every facilities they have, each and every persons they will give you each and every equipments and specialized for an highly technical this thing to learn at ECM.
How was your experience while attending customer boards?
Yeah, it was good and I feel very comfortable. And here whatever the doubts which I asked repeatedly, they have given a best knowledge and Yogesh sir also supporting for everything and thank you so much for both of them. So and I really thank to Bhadra to give a great opportunity to learn the thing.